Regardless of the scheduling system or the project, a number of specific attributes are found in a good schedule. 1. It is easily communicated. Those who are doing the work must understand what the schedule is all about. If none of your team has ever seen a complicated scheduling technique, like the Critical Path Method Diagram, CPM, the last thing you want to do is use it as your scheduling method. In general, schedules that are in a graphic format are most easily communicated. 2. It's flexible. Schedules change. It's a fact of project life. No matter what you say or do, a high percentage of your schedules are going to change. Hopefully these schedules will not change as a result of mistakes that you make, but they will change nonetheless. 3. It has the commitment of the project team. If you tell a team member that he or she must have a task finished by Wednesday, that team member must agree to get it done and believe that the task can be done under that time constraint. Otherwise, the team member won't feel committed to the schedule and may not feel compelled to meet it. 4. It shows interrelationships among tasks very clearly. Tasks are never done in isolation, and most rely on information or results from a previous or concurrent task or group of tasks. Your schedule must show how these tasks interrelate. 5. It's prepared in calendar time, not in number of workdays. To illustrate this point, try to determine the date, within a day or two, that is 60 workdays from today. Now see how much easier it is to determine the date that is 60 calendar days from today. Everyone thinks in terms of calendar time, so use it when preparing your schedules. 6. It forces early deadlines. Tasks will generally expand to fill the available time. Set the clock ahead and give yourself some extra time to clean up loose ends. 7. It allows for revision time following each review. Revisions follow reviews like night follows day. However, most project managers schedule time only for the reviews, not the revisions. 8. It builds in time for slippage. Plan for time, or even several periods of time, within the schedule when absolutely nothing is scheduled. Use that time to catch up on those tasks that have fallen behind. If your schedule is so tight that you cannot find any slippage time, use the weekends. Do not schedule any activities for Saturdays or Sundays, and use them instead to catch up when you fall behind. 9. It has correlation with other projects assigned to the team. The single biggest influence on the schedule of your project is the workload from other projects that are currently in your unit or team. If you prepare your schedule in isolation from other projects of the unit or team, it is most likely going to fail. 10. It extends beyond the due date of the contract. There will always be activities that extend or arise beyond the contractual due date. Your client will want to ask you questions, contractors will call you, and summary meetings will be held. Anticipate these activities and build them into your schedule.